Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the TOZO A1 Wireless Earbuds, designed for ultra-light comfort and clear, balanced sound in a compact form. Enjoy smooth audio, stable connectivity, and an easy listening experience whether you're at home or on the move. With a pocket-friendly design, responsive touch controls, and reliable battery life, they're perfect for music, calls, and everyday use, fitting effortlessly into your daily routine. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO A1 Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, technical specifications. The TOZO A1 Wireless Earbuds are in-ear true wireless earbuds designed for a snug, secure fit, perfect for daily use and workouts. Built to handle your active lifestyle, they feature IPX5 water resistance to protect against sweat and splashes. Inside, 6mm dynamic drivers deliver clear, balanced sound with punchy bass for music, calls, and more. It comes with a compact, portable charging case, with each earbud weighing 3.7 grams and the case adding extra portability for a total combined weight that's easy to carry anywhere. Passive noise isolation reduces background sounds, immersing you fully in your audio. Enjoy minimal audio delay with low latency, perfect for videos, calls, and casual gaming. Smart touch controls let you manage music, calls, and voice assistant commands with ease. Connectivity is seamless thanks to Bluetooth 5.3. providing a stable connection up to 10 meters, while support for AAC and SBC audio codecs ensures high-quality sound. The in-ear silicone tips provide a comfortable, secure fit, perfectly paired with the convenient charging case. Each earbud packs a 40 mAh battery, and the 400 mAh case extends your listening time up to 32 hours, with 7 hours per charge. When it's time to recharge, USB-C charging gets you back to full power in around 2 hours. Product features. Designed for all-day comfort, these earbuds come with in-ear silicone tips that fit snugly and securely in your ears. Their ergonomic shape ensures they stay in place during workouts, commutes, or long listening sessions, reducing ear fatigue and letting you enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Featuring advanced 6mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver immersive stereo sound with crisp highs, rich mids, and deep, punchy bass. Every beat, note, and call comes through clearly, whether you're streaming music, watching videos, or taking important calls, giving you a truly premium audio experience. Power through your day with up to 7 hours of listening per charge, and extend your total playback time up to 32 hours using the 400 mAh charging case. Quick USB-C charging means just a short boost gets you back to full power, making these earbuds ideal for travel, workouts, or long work days, without worrying about running out of battery. Enjoy a reliable and stable connection with Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures low latency and minimal interruptions up to 10 meters. Smart touch controls allow effortless management of music, calls, and voice assistants directly from the earbuds, giving you a smooth, hands-free audio experience wherever you go. Product overview. The TOZO A1 Mini Wireless Earbuds are compact, in-ear headphones designed for a lightweight and ergonomic fit, featuring an outer MFB, multifunction button, touch panel that allows you to control music playback, volume, and calls with simple taps. Positioned near the bottom of this touch surface is a dual-purpose indicator light and calling mic, which provides visual feedback on the pairing status while capturing your voice for hands-free communication. The inner side of each earbud includes a marked metal connector, labeled L or R, that aligns with the pins inside the storage case for charging, alongside a customizable ear tip available in various sizes to ensure a secure acoustic seal. Complementing the buds is a sleek pocket-sized charging case, equipped with its own centered indicator light on the front seam to signal the current battery level or charging status of the case itself, ensuring the entire system is ready for portable use. How to pair? To get started, download the official TOZO app from your smartphone's App Store or Play Store. The app allows you to manage device settings, customize touch controls, monitor battery life, and even update firmware, giving you full control over your earbuds. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. They will automatically enter pairing mode. On your smartphone, turn on Bluetooth and look for TOZO A1 Wireless Earbuds in the list of available devices. Select it to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds indicating pairing is successful. Open the TOZO app and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. You can customize touch gestures, check battery levels, and adjust audio settings according to your preference. After setup, your earbuds are ready to deliver high-quality sound, comfortable open-ear listening, and seamless performance for calls, music, and workouts. How to charge. Plug a USB-C cable into the charging port located on the back of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. The TOZO A1 features a lightweight plastic build with a compact case and IPX5 water resistance, perfect for workouts and daily use. Its smooth, minimalist design makes it easy to carry anywhere, and the earbuds fit comfortably for long listening sessions. The Edifier X3S have a sturdier plastic construction with an IP55 rating, offering better dust and water protection for outdoor activities while feeling slightly more solid in the hand. TOZO A1 delivers balanced sound with 6mm drivers, app-based EQ, and clear calls with dual microphones. It provides immersive audio for music, videos, and calls, making it versatile for everyday use. Edifier X3S also features 6mm drivers, plus Qualcomm apx support, CVC 8.0 noise reduction, and a low-latency gaming mode, offering richer sound quality and better synchronization for gaming or streaming. TOZO A1 offers 7 hours per charge and up to 32 hours with the charging case, using Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection. The quick USB-C charging ensures you're ready to go with minimal downtime. Edifier X3S provide 8 hours per charge and a total of 28 hours with the case, using Bluetooth 5.2 with Qualcomm support for reliable connectivity and smooth perfo-ons during calls and media playback. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.